Okay, so this is how to make a pull request to the original repo from Twindle. So you go to your repositories and you look from the repo you forked. So make sure that you fork it from Twindle-go and not from other persons, so you can get all the updated changes. Okay, so you go to the repo and, well, in my case, because I cloned it yesterday, I can see that my branch is 75 commits behind. If I visit the original one, I'm gonna see that they have a directory, they have a new folder, and I don't have it. So I can do a pull request. I can change a file and do a pull request. But what I want to teach you is also that you can do a reverse pull request. So instead of you making the request for they to accept your changes, you can also download your changes. You can do it on command line also, but just because it's the first pull request you're gonna make, I think this way is easier. So when you select on pull request, you're gonna see that you're asking your branch, this is my user, you're asking your branch to be merged or to upload the changes to the original one. So we're gonna do the reverse thing. I'm gonna select other person, because if I select myself, it's gonna disappear the option. So I'm gonna select that I wanna take the changes from Twindle Go, and I'm gonna select my user. You can also type and look for your user. I'm gonna find mine because I don't want to merge anyone else, and I'm gonna do the pull request. In this case, I'm taking all the changes from Twindle to my branch, to my repo. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna type okay. After doing that, I see that this pull request is open, and I can merge. I'm gonna confirm the merge. Okay, and if I go to my repo, I'm gonna see that I already have the folder, right? That was from here, and I'm gonna see, well, this in this case is updated 6 minutes ago, so it's the same for my branch from my repo and from the original one. So this is optional. You can omit that. So for the first pull request, what you need to do is create a file. So I'm gonna add the file. I'm gonna locate in the directory I wanna add the file. I'm gonna create a new one. I'm gonna put my name and the extension that is MD for Markdown, and I'm gonna put just my name and the info you have to put. Okay, so you create your file, you add your text, you can check preview how it's gonna look. I just added this to make it bold. You can delete it. Now we have to do the commit. We have to write a message, like it has to be it has to contain the description that is related to your code. In this case, we're just updating a file. So what I can do for the title of this commit is just add first pull request and my name. And if you want, you can put more description in here in case you're coding something, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, so I already create the file. I can see that I did it now, but this is only in my branch. So okay, so this is the fun part. How you do a pull request? You just click again and make sure that is from your repo to the original one. Before we did vice versa because we wanted to download the changes, right? But right now we want to push our changes. In this case, it's only one file, so you just do create pull request, and you can put actually the same thing you put in your commit. And then you have to explain why you wanna do a pull request. In this case, I'm gonna put the same message as my commit, and then you click on the green button that is in here. Okay, so now we already made the pull request. So we only have to wait for someone to accept it. That probably is gonna be Kenny or Praful. And that's it. If you go actually to the repo from Twindle, you can see the other pull requests that are made and that are open. You can also see the ones that are closed. And that's it. You can go to your repo is already updated, so you're good.